In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, but it's an important one to understand because applying a credit memo correctly helps keep your customer balances accurate and your records clean. If a customer has been given a credit for any reason, such as a return, an overpayment, or an adjustment, you can connect that credit to an open invoice directly inside QuickBooks Online. To get started, go to the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the plus icon. This opens the Quick Creation menu where you can access different types of transactions. From there, select Credit Memo. This will open a new credit memo form that you can use for the customer. Next, choose the customer you want to apply the credit memo to. Make sure you select the correct customer because credit memos can only be applied to invoices for the same customer. Once you choose the customer, QuickBooks may automatically display any existing open invoices associated with that account. This makes the process much easier since you can review what's currently unpaid and decide where the credit should be applied. If you already have an existing invoice for that customer, it should appear on the screen and you'll be able to apply the credit memo there. Take a moment to confirm that you're applying the credit to the right invoice and that the amounts look correct. This is especially helpful if the customer has more than one open transaction, because you want to be sure the credit is reducing the intended balance. Once everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will then record the credit memo and apply it to the selected invoice. At that point, the customer's outstanding balance will be adjusted based on the credit you entered, and that's it. As you can see, applying a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online is a quick task, but it plays a big role in keeping customer accounts organized and accurate. If you're working through customer balances regularly, it's a good habit to double-check the customer name, the invoice selected, and the amount being credited before saving. That small review can help prevent mistakes and save time later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand exactly how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online.